After a long winter, the first day of May is traditionally the date that heralds the arrival of spring and celebrates the summer to come. May Day celebrations have been associated with spring for centuries, and in England, the celebrations that continue today are steeped in ancient traditions. These include Morris dancing, the crowning of the May Queen, and dancing around the maypole whilst weaving long ribbons into intricate patterns, a tradition widely practiced throughout the medieval period and still continues today.